Great, let's get started. Today, we're going to do an experiment with baking soda and vinegar to create a super cool volcano. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your materials. You will need baking soda, vinegar, a clear plastic bottle or container, food coloring optional, and a funnel optional. Step 2. Place the plastic bottle or container in the center of the table. Remember, it's okay if it doesn't overflow, because we'll fix that later. Step 3. Add 2-3 tablespoons of baking soda into the container. You can adjust the amount based on how strong you want your volcano to be. Step 4. Now, slowly pour vinegar into the bottle using the funnel or a pouring spoon. Be careful not to let it get too close to the baking soda, or it might create a mess. Step 5. As the vinegar fills the bottle, you'll see a chemical reaction. The baking soda and vinegar will create a fizzy, foam-like substance. Add a few drops of food coloring optional to make it more visually appealing. Step 6. Once the reaction slows down, use the funnel to carefully siphon the foam into the container. You can create as many volcanoes as you like. And there, you have it, a fantastic volcano that you and your kids can enjoy making and exploring. Remember, curiosity and creativity are the keys to endless fun. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode. Stay curious.